Hey, it's your boy, Mr. CJU, what it do, back with another video. Look, in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how we took a client from a 479 credit score, poor, trash, all the way to a 760 plus high class, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how we did it in this video because I told y'all before, the credit game is going crazy right now in 2025. So if y'all stay and watch the full video, I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna pull up an Experian.com profile and I'm gonna literally show you proof, show you results of what we doing with people credit profiles and turning them up in less than 2 weeks. Never before seen shit. So watch the full video so you can see it yourself. Now look, off top, y'all can text me 832-551-3809. You guys can text me. Y'all can hit me up directly and I will answer all your credit questions. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you need help with credit repair on your profile, or if you in the credit game, you running a credit repair company and you want to use our methods, our systems, our resources, our game, tap in, shoot me a text so I can help your clients and you get paid. You know what I'm saying? In the credit game, we all supposed to help each other. It's not me versus you. It's me and you versus the system. It's me and you versus the credit bureaus. It's me and you versus the banks. It's me and you versus the failed school system that didn't teach us this shit. So now we know it. Now we're gonna come together and get what's ours. So just text me if you need some help. Now look, January 7th, the CFPB sues Experian. For you guys who don't know what the CFPB is, that's the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. That is a government agency that is there to protect us as the consumer when businesses are doing dirty shit. When they not doing their job and they're hurting us as a consumer, if they're violating laws on us, the consumer, we get to go to the CFPB and file a complaint. So a lot of people been filing complaints on Experian when they sending in credit disputes and stuff not coming off and inaccurate shit popping up and it's just bullshit on people's credit. We sending in complaints to this agency. And so there's been so many complaints sent on Experian that the CFPB itself sued Experian. So what I want y'all to do is Google this. Google CFPB sues Experian. Google it yourself, do the research yourself, click on the links and read the case. They doing us dirty, all right? Now, the reason why they suing them and Experian not doing their job is because they use something called an e-Oscar system. I want y'all to Google this. I want y'all to Google e-Oscar system and read what that is. Basically, that's just some automated bullshit that the credit reporting agencies are using to verify disputes. They're using an algorithm, an automated system to say verified, not verified. And that's not what they're supposed to be doing. They are supposed to be having someone physically looking at these disputes and doing a real investigation when we send in these disputes. They're supposed to do that by law, which is the FCRA. All y'all credit repair people know what the FCRA is. You know what I'm saying? The Fair Credit Reporting Act. This is a federal law that says these people are supposed to do their job. That they're not supposed to be using some system, some automated computer bullshit. They're supposed to be really doing what the law says, and they're not doing it. So they're violating our rights. They're violating the law. So that's why they're getting their ass sued. So check this out. Since they not doing their job and they playing fucking dirty and they screwing us over and messing up our credit profile and messing up our credit scores and stopping us from getting loans, lines of credit, houses, capital to invest in our business. That's why we got to take matters in our own hand. That's why the credit sweep method, the credit glitch methods are back on right now. That's why we getting back busy and doing whatever we got to do to get this stuff off these credit reports because they doing us dirty and we able to use case law to prove in our disputes as to how they doing us dirty. So that's why we got these methods coming and we knocking that shit off. We got government agencies behind us. So we using that information in our disputes to knock that shit off, and we knocking it off fast. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I really got to say, because right now I want you to watch the results and the proof that I'm about to show you of a client that went through our method and got that shit removed fast. Took them from the 400s to the 700 plus. All right, so stay tuned, finish watching the video and you'll see the results for yourself. And once you finish watching it and you're ready to make a move, send me a text, all right? Because you need to jump on this fast if you really about to take action, because we don't know how long, you know what I'm saying, the credit sweep and the credit methods last. You know, one day it's here, then it's gone. So the people who take action fast gonna get the results fast, just like the client I'm about to show you. So as soon as y'all see it, don't hesitate, jump on this, get your credit clean. And if you want a credit repair company, come tap in so we can help get your clients clean. And we'll put the deal together to where everybody make money, everybody get results, and everybody happy because we taking back what's ours. All right, so stay tuned, watch the rest of the video and see for yourself. Hap.
Hey, Hap, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna show y'all another testimonial and results from a client that worked with us here at CJU that got some good results from using our credit sweep method. All right. So look, if you look at December, as you can see on this graph here, they have a poor credit score. We're in the 400s here. 400s, all the way in January, 400s, 479, 400. And then right here is when his client signed up with us to get all their negative removed. So right here on January 21st, 2025, they have a 479 credit score. Then watch this. Boom. January 26th, they went from poor to very good. 761 credit score. That is really going from trash to high class in the credit game. So from January 21st to 26, which is literally 5 days, we was able to remove all their negative accounts and get them to good credit scores. So today, at the day that I'm shooting this video, it's actually January 27, 2025, the day I'm shooting this video. All right. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go show y'all this client's actual credit profile, show y'all the negative accounts that was on the profile, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like once they got removed. So here I'm just showing y'all the graph. They got with us right here. Boom. 5-6 days later, we changed their whole entire credit profile around. All right, so let's go look at exactly what we got removed. So we're gonna go to credit, and then we're gonna go to credit reports, and then I'm gonna go back to when they had the negative accounts on there, and we're gonna see what was on there. All right. Boom. So right here, we see the Experian data says January 21st. So I went back, a couple of days, and as you can see, 479 credit score. Now let's look at the accounts. Okay. We got 16 closed accounts. We got an American Express charge off. We got another American Express charge off, Apple Card charge off, Bank of America charge off. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 charge offs. Okay. Another one, Chase charge off, another Chase charge off. Okay. So that's, a Navy Federal charge off for 26K, another one for 4K. We got another charge off here for 2K, 1K. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 charge offs with major banks: Amex, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Chase, and Navy Federal, and Wells Fargo. So these ain't no bullshit little banks. These are major banks. We got about 10 charge offs. Then we go right here. Okay. Okay, that was straight. We got right here. Okay, we got a loan right here for 11K. Then we got about 20,000 in collections. Holy shit, with full increase. So we got 20K in collections. This is, man, Citibank, you know what I'm saying? 20K in collections, 11K in loans. So that's about 30 grand. Then we add this up right here, 30 grand plus this. That's about like, shit. It's close to 3,000, another 2,000. That's close to 5,000. Let's just say that's 35K plus another 5,000, 40K. Damn. Plus another 25, 26, 27, 28. We had 40. Shit, that's around like 48K plus another 4 grand. We had about a little over 50 grand, 52 plus another 26. Let's just say that's about 53, another 8. Add that on top. Let's say that's about 60K, another 6,000. Let's just say that's 66,000, 67, 68. Oh, come on, man. Shit. You know, over 108 total. Now they got some other ones here that was paid off, but y'all just seen me try to do the quick math, bro. We almost had like 70,000 worth of negative debt on this credit report. Collections, charge-offs. You know what I'm saying? 479 credit score, man. That's a poor score with all that debt. All right. And that's January 21st. All right, now let's go speed up to what happened after we did the credit sweep and got all those negative removed. Now let's go look at the credit report. Now, if we look here, January 27, just like I showed y'all on the graph when I started the video, it was at a 479. And then now, January 27th, literally 6 days later, look at the score, 761. Now, because of look at this. Remember all those accounts when I showed y'all? Remember it was 158 K worth of debt on there? Now it's down to 67. Look at this. Where's all those negative accounts? Where's all those negative accounts that I just showed y'all? The Chase, the Amex, the Navy Fair, the Bank of America. Where they at? We removed them. So the only accounts that's on here is the ones that was paid off. We left these on here because the client actually paid these off. So we left these good standing closed paid off trade lines on here, right? Remember, it was 16. Now it's only 6 closed because we removed all 10 of those negatives. Remember that negative $11,000 personal loan? It's gone. It's the same profile, y'all. Remember I showed y'all it's the same one. Then remember those 3 collections that had $20,000 worth of debt? They're gone. Remember those 4 inquiries? They're gone. When we say credit sweep, this is a credit sweep, meaning we glitched the whole thing, meaning it's gone, it's vanished. This client had a 479 poor credit score, okay? And we removed that shit. We got that shit off in fucking 6 days. This client got a 760 credit score. They can go apply for something just like that. So when you got access to credit repair skills like this, bro, you can really change someone's entire life around, because now this client has no more collections, no more inquiries, no more charge-offs, no more charge-off personal loans. They can go apply for new personal loans now. They can go apply for new credit cards now. They can go do things that they need to do, you know what I'm saying, simply because they now have all those negatives removed from their credit report. This, man, from a 479 to a 761 credit score in literally the same month. So again, if you guys want to do the slow method credit repair that's going to take 6 months, 12 months, 1 year, 2 years, go ahead, guys. Do that slow shit. But right now, Experian is getting sued. Right now, Equifax is getting sued. These guys are getting sued for a lot of money because they're not doing proper investigations when it comes to credit reports and credit disputes. So we have to take matters into our own hands and do our own credit repair glitches, our own credit repair sweep moves, because the credit bureaus and the credit reporting agencies not doing their job. So we can't fuck with them on a regular basis no more because they doing us dirty. That's why they getting sued by the CFPB. So we got our own methods, and we gonna do what we gotta do to fight back, and we're gonna fight back for our clients, and we're gonna make sure our motherfucking clients get their shit swept up and go from bad credit to good credit ASAP. And we haven't even added the trade lines to this client profile yet. So now that we hit them with the credit sweep, now we about to add the trade lines to this client's profile, and they about to go to the 800 credit score. So from a 400 credit score to a damn near 800s, bro, in less than 30 days, that's amazing work. And that's just what we're trying to do over here at CJU. We're using all our business partners, all our resources, everybody that we know, and we all sharing information to help make sure everybody credit shit turned up. And we got this client turned up fast. Here's some results. Here's the testimonials. They speak for themselves, man. It's your boy, Mr. CJU. Have.